Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of registering a business in the UK. If you're starting a small business or planning to grow into something bigger, registering your business is a crucial step. I'll be covering 6 essential steps and the costs involved, so stay tuned till the end to make sure you don't miss any important details. Step 1. Decide on your business structure. The first step is to decide on your business structure. In the United Kingdom, you have several options. Sole trader, the simplest structure where you run your business as an individual. You get to keep all your business's profits after tax, but you're personally responsible for any losses. Partnership, if you're starting the business with one or more people, your partnership might be right for you. The structure shares the responsibility and profits among partners. Limited company, a more complex structure, but it offers limited liability, meaning your personal assets are protected if the business faces financial difficulties. Limited liability partnership, LLP, a hybrid between a partnership and a limited company, giving partners limited liability while allowing for flexibility in management. Choosing the right structure is vital as it affects your legal responsibilities, taxes, and the amount of paperwork. Most people start as a sole trader and then move to a limited company as their business grows. Step 2. Choose your business name. Next, you need to choose a name for your business. This is the fun part, but it's important to pick a name that reflects what your business does and is easy to remember. Your business name should give customers an idea of what your business does. It should be memorable and resonate with your target audience. Check availability. Once you've come up with a few ideas, it's crucial to check if the name is available. In the UK, if you're setting up a limited company or a limited liability partnership, you need to ensure that your chosen name isn't already registered with Companies House. You can do this by searching the Companies House register online at this address. If the name is already in use, you'll need to come up with an alternative. Domain name. It's also a good idea to check if the domain name is available, as you'll likely want to create a website for your business. You can check availability on domain registration sites like GoDaddy or Namecheap. If the exact match isn't available, consider alternatives that are still close to your original business name. Trademark. After settling on a name, consider whether you need to trademark it. A trademark protects your business name from being used by others in the same or similar industry. In the UK, you can apply for a trademark through the Intellectual Property Office (IPO) at this address. This process involves a fee and takes some time, but it's a worthwhile investment to protect your brand identity. It's important to note that you should also check if the name is already trademarked to avoid potential legal issues down the line. Step 3. Register with HMRC. Once you've decided on your structure and name, the next step is to register with HMRC, meaning Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs. This is essential for tax purposes. For sole traders and partnerships, you'll need to register for self-assessment, which is how you report your income to HMRC. For limited companies and LLPs, you need to register your company with Companies House and then for corporation tax with HMRC. VAT registration. If your turnover exceeds £85,000 in a 12-month period, you must also register for VAT, though you can register voluntarily if it suits your business model. Step 4. Set up a business bank account. It's important to keep your personal and business finances separate, so setting up a business bank account is a must. Here's what you need to know. Shop around. Different banks offer different perks, so take the time to compare business accounts. Documentation. You need your company registration number, proof of identity, and proof of address to open an account. Costs. Some banks charge a monthly fee for business, while others offer free banking for the first year or so. Make sure to read the terms carefully. Step 5. Understand your legal obligations. As a business owner, you will have certain legal obligations depending on your business structure. Record keeping. You're required to keep accurate records of your business income and expenses. This is crucial for your tax returns and can save you from hefty penalties. Insurance. Depending on your business, you may need insurance. For example, if you have employees, you are legally required to have employer's liability insurance. Licenses and permits. Certain businesses need specific licenses or permits to operate, such as those in the food industry or those selling alcohol. Check with your local authority to see what applies to you. Step 6. Be aware of costs and fees. Finally, let's talk about costs. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect to pay. For sole trader and partnerships, it's free to register as a sole trader, and you wouldn't have to pay any fees unless you earn over £1,000 from self-employment in a tax year. For limited companies and LLPs, registering a limited company or LLP with Companies House costs £12 if done online and £40 by post. This is a one-time fee. Accountant fees. If you decide to hire an accountant to help with your tax returns or bookkeeping, this will be an additional cost, typically starting at around £50 to £100 per month. Ongoing costs. Don't forget about ongoing costs like insurance, software subscriptions, and website hosting, which can add up over time. And there you have it. Those are the 6 essential steps to registering a business in the UK. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and less daunting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more business tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new business.